Hello everyone, I am Hajra, Nakshathra 916 Gold and Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you very beautiful varieties of different design, different patterns, lightweight bangles collection starting from 6 grams. This one Kerala model bangle collection. Let's go to the detailed video. You can see here very beautiful Kerala model bangle collection. I am showing you the first design. Very beautiful design. You can see here small slash design is there. You can see here small slash design is there. Different pattern. This one you can buy as single bangle, also you can pair it, also you can get more bangles. This all comes under lightweight collection. These bangles only 7.5 grams. Next design I am showing you very beautiful Kerala model bangle collection. This one you can see here small window model one design is there. What is this small circle shape design also there, small circle shape designs also there. Very beautiful Kerala bangles. You can get all these Kerala bangle designs on 0% making charge if you are purchasing on cash. Look at here another design. I am showing you very beautiful Kerala model bangle. You can hear small lines comes and small circle shape design. Very beautiful design. This all comes under lightweight collection Kerala bangles. If you want to buy Kerala bangles, you can get it in zero making charge, only for cash purchase. Starts from 8 grams. Okay. Next design I am showing you very beautiful Kerala bangle. This is little plain bangle. Look at here another Kerala bangle. I am showing you very lightweight collection. Small lines work is there, very beautiful design. It looks like plain but small line work also there. The line designs is there, you can see here. Very beautiful design. All comes under lightweight collection. All bangles are Kerala model collections I am showing you now. Next design I am showing you very beautiful design. You can see here different design, different pattern. Looks heavy but it comes under lightweight collection, all Kerala model bangles. Next one I am showing you very beautiful design. Small circle designs are there, slash model designs also there. All these comes under lightweight collection. All these bangles are Kerala model bangles. Different designs, different patterns. We have lot of collections same like this. We have lot of designs, lot of collections. See here different pattern, one line design bangle, very beautiful design. You can see here small circle, half circle shape designs also here. Very beautiful design. We have lot of collections in this. We have varieties of lot of collections in Kerala bangles. We have very same like this. We have lot of varieties of Kerala bangles with different designs. We have lot of collections in our shop, available in our shop. Visit our shop Al-Radha 2 Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshathra Jewelry. Also you can buy this from Kerala. We have lot of branches in Kerala. Also you can do online shopping, all over India delivery available. Within 8 days you can get the product. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our bangle collection, it's available in our shop Al-Radha 2 Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshathra Jewelry. Also you can do shopping in India. We have lot of shops in India. Also you can do online shopping. Contact 9846 361 916. All over India delivery available. Within 8 days you will get the product. If you want to watch more videos, more collections, we have lot of collections. Always we bring lot of different varieties of collections. Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. See you again in next video. Signing off, Hajira. Bye bye.